Welcome. Today, we'll guide you through the essential steps for choosing and checking the availability of a company name in Australia. First, choose a company name that reflects its legal status. For proprietary companies, include Proprietary or PTY. If your liability is limited, end with Proprietary Limited or PTY Limited. For unlimited liability, just use Proprietary or PTY. Next, check name availability on the Company Changes website. Navigate to the Home Index and enter your proposed name to see if it's already registered. Be mindful of name restrictions. Avoid using prohibited terms like trust, university, or building society without approval. Also, ensure your name isn't misleading or offensive. ASIC won't register names that are identical or too similar to existing ones. Always check for distinctiveness to avoid confusion. Don't forget to check trademarks on the IP Australia website. Even if ASIC approves your name, it shouldn't infringe on existing trademarks. Remember, you can use your Australian company number, ACN, as your company name if you prefer. If your name is available, consider reserving it for 2 months to prevent others from using it. Just submit Form 410 with the required fee. By following these steps, you can effectively choose and check the availability of your company name. For personalized assistance, contact Company Changes at 0296844199, visit companychanges.com.au, or email us at sales@companychanges.com.au. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your new venture.